everyone, welcome back to my video, and today I will tell you how to add clickable link on Canvas. Okay, so before we go to the Canva, we have to choose a music video link. Okay, I'm gonna choose is from YouTube. Okay, so I choose this one. So just copy link and then go back to your Canvas. Okay, so we will choose a template here. I will try to choose this one. Let's customize. Okay, so in the first page, um, if you want to add your link in the picture, you just need to click and then paste. If not, if you want to paste on your text, you can just click and then paste. That's all. One thing that's special is under the link you might see. If you want an underline code, you can add. If you know, you can remove from here. This is underline code function. Okay, so I just put it. So let's check it out. Is this work or not? Okay, I will try first with the filter here. Just click. Okay, and then continue to the external side. It's already go to the music video link that we add. So let's try another one. It's a link under the test, so just click the test. Okay, so it's also reached directly to the. Okay, so it's work. It's quite simple. You just need to copy a video that you want and click on the. If you want to insert in photo, just paste. And then if you want to insert in a task, just paste over the task. That's all for today. We will see you on the next video. Thank you so much for listening.